In this video, I'm going to show you how to build serious income by investing just $25 a week. I'll reveal how you can do exactly that using the power of compounding, dividends, and one of the most popular ETFs out there, SCHD. Stick with me, because the numbers might just surprise you. Part 1. The Power of SCHD. SCHD stands for the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It's a powerful fund that focuses on quality U.S. companies with strong dividend histories. With a dividend yield around 3.5% to 4%, ultra-low fees, and a history of solid growth, it's built for both income and wealth creation over time. And the best part? It pays you quarterly dividends while your investment keeps growing. Part 2. The $25 per week strategy. Imagine this: you commit to investing just $25 every single week into SCHD. That's about $100 per month, an amount many people easily spend on eating out or online shopping without thinking twice. Now, if SCHD delivers an average annual return of 12%, which is close to its historical performance since inception, especially during strong market cycles with dividend reinvestment and growth, here's what happens. After 5 years, your $25 a week grows to about $7,600. In 10 years, it increases to around $21,100. After 20 years, it balloons to approximately $86,000. And by the time 30 years pass, you'd have around $290,000, all from just $25 a week. Now here's the key: after 30 years, if you shift from growth mode to income mode, and SCHD is yielding around 4% annually, which is historically reasonable for SCHD, your $290,000 could generate about $11,600 per year, or roughly $966 per month in passive income. If you continue growing it longer, investing a little more than $25 a week over time, and SCHD maintains strong performance, reaching more than $1,000 a month becomes much more achievable, especially if you let compounding and dividend growth work in your favor. Part 3. Why SCHD makes it possible. SCHD is a perfect tool because it focuses on companies that consistently grow their dividends. You're not just hoping for stock price gains, you're building a cash flow machine. The compounding power of consistent investing, dividend growth, and time can turn small habits into massive results. It's not about timing the market, it's about timing the market. Now, I know it might feel discouraging at times, especially when you look at how long it takes to build up substantial passive income. But remember, time is going to pass anyway. Wouldn't you rather have $1,000 or more in passive income in the next couple of years, rather than spending money on things we don't really need? So, can $25 a week change your future? Absolutely, if you stay consistent, stay patient, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple investing strategies, and drop a comment if you're already building your future with SCHD.